When it comes time to aerate your turf, make the job easier and more productive with Billy Goat's all-new PL2501 PLUGR Series Aerator. This all-new unit includes reciprocating technology and a host of new features that offers the next level of commercial duty productivity, ease of operation, and simple maintenance that's unsurpassed in the industry, especially when compared to traditional, less efficient, labor-intensive drum-style aerators. When productivity counts, the next-gen PLUGR aerates in 25-inch widths, pulls better quality hole depth and density than traditional units with premium 2.75-inch deep cores, and can aerate up to an acre an hour. The 6 reciprocating cam-driven tines drive 8 holes per square foot, eliminating the need for second-pass aeration and improving both job productivity and quality. The Billy Goat unit also features variable hole density where operators can produce a denser hole pattern of up to 45 hole per square foot at slower speeds. This feature is ideal for thinner grass areas or higher wear areas where further turf repair or seeding is required. This graphic of variable aeration density helps show the varying hole patterns produced at different speeds in a single pass, saving valuable fuel, time, and effort versus making multiple passes with drum machines with fixed hole patterns. Tired of fatiguing units that require you to physically lift the drum before turning or clearing obstacles? Or how about those hydraulic drum units that cause property or machine damage if you forget to lift the tines before turning? The Billy Goat 25-inch PLUGR features no-lift in-ground turning for unrivaled maneuverability, operator ergonomics, and efficiency. The unit also features foam-filled rear-wheel drive tires and lockable front casters that lock to help hold on hillsides and allow the operator to easily steer and turn while in the ground without lifting the tines. In addition, when an object appears in your aeration path, you can release the tine engagement lever on the handle to stop the tining action, and the tines will simply drag across obstacles such as cleanouts, valve covers, sprinkler heads, drains, or sidewalks, offering uninterrupted no-lift aeration and increased productivity. When clear of the obstacle, simply re-engage the lever and continue aeration. And for best-in-class operation, the unit features a patent-pending easy drop tine engagement lever and easy lift rear foot pedal, as well as the same intuitive variable speed fingertip forward and rear drive controls found on other Billy Goat Hydro-Drive units. When ready to aerate, depress the orange tine lever to both release the tines from the lifted and locked transport position and engage the tining action. Next, simply squeeze the forward drive lever on the right handle and begin driving and aerating. If you need to go in reverse or to a K-turn, simply disengage the tining action, move the unit forward so the tines are out on the ground, and use your foot to lift and lock the tines. When you're ready to continue aerating, re-engage the tines by depressing the easy drop lever on the left handle. And when your job is complete, transporting and ramp loading could not be any easier or safer with the tines locked in the raised position versus the cumbersome and unsafe loading of traditional units. Should ground conditions warrant extra weight, no add-on steel weights are necessary. Instead, a tank which holds 40 pounds of water weight is positioned directly over the tines for better aeration depth and better wheel traction in drier conditions. To empty the water, release the 2 drains located at the bottom of the tank. And when it comes to maintenance, the unit features a no-tool flip-up hood for convenient access to the inside of the machine for easy service and improved belt access. In addition, with only 6 screw-in tines to service versus over 40 tines and 80 bolts on drum units, maintenance and tine changes are simple and fast. The Billy Goat Next Gen PLUGR is powered by your choice of a Honda 163cc or Vanguard 203cc engine with integrated cyclonic air filtration for superior protection in high-dust conditions. So whether your turf jobs require hundreds of residential aerations, renovating sports turf, or improving commercial properties, choose outstanding productivity, unrivaled ease of operation, and superior quality with Billy Goat's Next Gen PLUGR 2501 Series Aerator.